Hey Nuna, how can you not be scared?
Of what?
Being here, the games.
No, I am.
Then why'd you vote to keep playing?
Right now, if I left this place, I'd have to face something even scarier.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Whoa! Shit, hits you with the scissors.